Welcome to part 3 of the Power Player Paradigm Challenge. Today we're talking about stage 3 of our success path, which is leadership. The mantra for this stage is, I am a strong and generous leader who embraces the collaborative nature of my art. Y'all, actors are leaders. Actors have a huge influence on our culture. So in this stage, we really learn how to become an inspiring leader of our teams instead of just waiting around for them to find opportunities for us and feeling secretly disappointed by the results that they don't get. Good leaders are mindful, they are creative, they're resilient, they're compassionate. And these qualities serve us in a huge way as we develop our careers as actors. So in this stage, we start to become better at long-term planning. We look at what we want to accomplish in a quarter or 3-month period instead of just a week or a month. We start to become more comfortable delegating and growing our team to include more support. We start to develop a system to collect contacts and grow our circles of influence. So this is what I want to talk about today, because maybe you're great at meeting people. You're out there hustling, you're watching videos like this one, you're working on projects, you're taking various classes, you're active in groups on Clubhouse, on Facebook, you're going to workshops, you're doing live events. So you meet a lot of people. But if you're not continuing to nurture those relationships, if you don't have a system to really bring them into the fold of your community, you just lose touch, right? And you might as well not have made all that effort because they're gone. So I have a question for you. Are you still in close touch with the people that you worked with or met 3 years ago? If the answer is no, you need a system. Another thing that comes up for a lot of actors, we feel more comfortable networking for other people than for ourselves, right? Like we have no trouble making a connection for another person, but when it comes to reaching out on our own behalf, it gets a little weird, right? So that is a really good indication that you need to get more clarity on what you specifically contribute. And that's a huge part of leadership as well. So there are various ways to nurture our relationships authentically, which we cover in depth in our program. So for now, the action item that I would like you to take on is to look back 5 years and make a list of the people that you want to reconnect with, okay? All those people who you feel like you may have lost touch with, but you want them to be a part of your community. It's not too late to reconnect. Let's reclaim those connections, all right? So go ahead and make that list. And next time we're going to talk about visibility, which is stage 4 of the Power Player Paradigm. I'll see you soon.